Meet Coprinopsis atramentaria, also known as the Inky Cap fungus. At first glance, it looks harmless, growing on lawns, near tree roots, or even in your backyard. But what makes it fascinating is a rare and dangerous interaction with alcohol. This fungus contains a compound called coprine, which itself is not deadly. But when combined with even small amounts of ethanol, the alcohol in beer, wine, or spirits, it turns into a biological trap. Once alcohol enters your bloodstream, coprine interferes with an enzyme called acetaldehyde dehydrogenase, which is responsible for breaking down ethanol into harmless compounds. When this process is blocked, a toxic molecule called acetaldehyde builds up rapidly in the body. The result? A violent reaction within 30 minutes, nausea, vomiting, intense sweating, throbbing headaches, rapid heartbeat, flushing, and even confusion or collapse. This reaction can last for hours and can recur for days as long as ethanol remains in the system. What's truly intriguing is that Coprinopsis atramentaria does not always cause harm. If no alcohol is consumed before or after eating it, typically within a 48 to 72-hour window, it may not trigger any symptoms. Historically, this property was even tested for treating alcoholism by inducing aversion through fear. Today, of course, that's considered unethical, but the biochemical mechanism remains a fascinating example of nature's hidden traps. Despite its toxic interaction, the fungus itself plays an important ecological role. It decomposes organic matter and recycles nutrients back into the soil, helping forests grow and ecosystems flourish. Like many fungi, it's a double-edged sword, dangerous in one context, essential in another. So the next time you walk past a mushroom, remember it may look simple, but inside it could be carrying a chemical secret that only activates under very specific conditions. That's the silent complexity of fungal life. From the outside, it's just a mushroom. But inside, it's a living chemistry lab, quietly waiting for the right trigger. That's why fungi are more than just decomposers, they are masters of molecular precision. Subscribe to learn more about the hidden science of life on Earth.